Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to heat emboss on vellum with the Love and Happiness bundle. All right, I'm going to show you some heat embossing on vellum and dry embossing as well. This is a really fun, cool technique that you can do with your embossing folders. I'm using the Love and Happiness bundle. This is a special bundle because it has this hybrid embossing folder. Hybrid means that you can put the die inside the folder and cut as well as emboss at the same time, which is really cool. So I'm going to use this embossing folder. So I'm going to keep it here, and I have a piece of vellum, and I'm going to start just by inking up the one side of the embossing folder, the top side, which is the side with the Stampin' Up logo. And I just re-inked my Versamark pad, so it's super juicy, and I'm just gonna really make sure I get lots of ink on there. And I'm going to put this aside and place my vellum piece inside and just center it, line it up. And I'm gonna close this up. Just move this to the side so I can grab my embossing machine. And I'm going to use the #1 platform, and then my embossing folder, and then the #4, you can see the 4 there, it's gray, plate, and just line everything up. Just gonna roll everything through. Okay. And just put this away. Okay, now I have some gold embossing powder ready. And I'm just gonna go ahead and carefully dump that in there. I'm gonna try to not touch it, or try to just keep it from being touched as much as I can. Okay, and I'm gonna grab some tweezers. I'm just gonna kind of bring everything over to the side here and tap everything off. And then I'm gonna end up trimming this because it is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 right now. So I'm gonna try to grab as much and as little of it as possible, if that makes sense. I'm trying to go like this, okay? And I'm gonna put all of this aside. Don't want to emboss that. And then I'm just gonna heat this up. So since this is heat embossed and dry embossed, I'm just gonna go ahead and use regular seal to attach it down. You won't be able to see it because it'll be hiding behind all of the different embossing. So this is a fun way to do 2 types of embossing on one piece of cardstock or vellum. You could do it on cardstock too, but I just think it's cool on vellum because then you can kind of see the color underneath it, so you can see the blushing bride underneath it, and I think that's really cool. So now I'm going to put dimensionals on this, and I'm going to stamp congratulations here. Make it a wedding card, or probably a wedding card. All right, so let's see. Okay. And then dimensionals for this. We'll do mini for this one. Okay, so now we're ready to put this on our Whisper White card base. Sorry, I'm just looking at which side looks better. And then we'll put the heart right on top of the heart. And if you wanted to, I guess I could have cut that out because you're not going to see it. I'm covering it up. And then the congratulations, we'll just put right here in the middle. Okay, so I'm just going to add a bow with the gold shimmer ribbon from the annual catalog. And I'm just going to use a glue dot, and that will finish our card. So I'm offering this card as part of my free card kit. When you purchase this bundle or place a $40 order using my current host code, you'll get supplies to do heat embossing on vellum, inlaid embossing, and ink embossing. So make sure you check that out. Go to my website and click on Shop Now, and then email me and let me know that you would like this card kit once you place your order. Thanks so much for watching my video tutorial on these fun embossing tips. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tricks and tips in stamping and card making, and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.